For this year's Battle of the Atlantic expedition, we had a small group of biologists come aboard, collecting baseline biological data on the same shipwrecks that the archaeologists were looking at. So these biologists used various methodologies. They used video transects, photo quadrats, fish counts to collect that data that we're then going to use for future surveys. We can compare future surveys to what we collected this year. We can categorize and quantify the biological habitats of these shipwrecks, and then hopefully use it to monitor any changes that occur off the coast of North Carolina.
There's all kinds of different methods that you have to use. We're trying to quantify the number of fish in a certain area or the type of habitat in a certain area. And it's really not that easy when you're scuba diving to do that because everything's moving around and rushing around. And so our basic tools are actually meter tapes, clipboards, so that we can measure our distances. Sometimes we have to estimate widths and lengths of our transects, but we try and run transects and observe fish within a known area. And then we also use other methods such as quadrats, where we'll put down quadrats and then observe the types of fish that we see just within a quadrat. And lots of photo quadrat methods where you'll actually point the camera straight down at a quadrat in order to know the area that you're surveying. And that's a way of getting at what type of habitat, algae species, and coral are growing. So it's really all about trying to quantify an area and then use some kind of visual or remote method, such as a video, to then measure what is there.